Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. My name is Tim. Today's video is an open house video. We have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom ranch style home located here in the village of Piedmont. Let's go inside and take a look. This home is located at 17951 Southeast 83rd Pineland Terrace, here in the village of Piedmont in the Villages, Florida. I will start by giving you a panoramic view of the street. The back of the home does face east. The front of the home faces west. That is facing south right there, friends. That is facing north. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom ranch style home. It has a 2-car garage, and it is offered at $304,900. And we are in the village of Piedmont. You can see this home does have a very deep setback. It has a painted concrete driveway. You can see the landscaping in the front of the home is very nice. And if you have any questions about the home, please contact Crystal Burbage at Realty Executives here in the Villages, Florida. As I walk up to the front of this home, you do see it has a painted concrete walkway. It also has a screened-in front lanai front porch area. There is a better look at your roof line in this home. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am standing in the front porch area. It is screened in. Very comfortable seating area. You could sit here and watch the sunset in the west. This is a wood-framed home. It does have a storm door in the front. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful laminate tile floor. This home does have acoustic textured ceilings. Off to the right you do have a living area, and to the back of the home you do see a kitchen and dining area, as well as a screened-in lanai. I will show you the kitchen first. It has Formica countertops, stainless appliances that are relatively new. It looks like the year 2023. And I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea. It does have a natural gas stove, oak cabinets, stainless hardware, very large 1-bowl stainless sink, has an oak island as well, giving you a better idea of what this home looks like. This is the specification sheet. Located at 17951 Southeast 83rd Pineland Terrace, offered at $304,900. It's an updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, Amarillo ranch style home. Water heater was replaced in 2016. No bond. Roof was replaced in 2019. HVAC system in 2010. I will flip the spec sheet over so you can get a better idea of what the room dimensions are. These are the room dimensions. You do see the dining room is 11.3 by 10.5. Primary bedroom is 12.1 by 14.5. Feel free to pause the video at any point. I will walk to this side of the home. This room here has been converted. This used to be the laundry area. Now they're using it as a pantry. You could use it as an office space as well. And I think it would be a fairly easy conversion if you wanted to convert it back to a laundry room as well. This door here We'll lead you out into that two-car garage. That is your two-car garage right there. It does have painted concrete floors, which are in very good condition. And the laundry is located here in the garage area as well. Next, I will take a walk into that primary bedroom area. This is a split bedroom design home. Your primary bedroom is on the opposite side of the home as your guest bedrooms. That is a king-size bed to give you perspective. Acoustic textured ceilings continue. I'll give you a better view of what this looks like. And we will walk into that primary bathroom next. This is the primary bathroom. You see the tile floors continuing, the laminate tile floors. It has a shower module off to the left here. That is a one-piece shower module. It does have Formica countertop, one sink, oak cabinets. You can see that as well. There's your commode space. It has a window above the commode as well. Give you a different view of what that vanity looks like. Next, I will walk out into the backyard. We'll show you that lanai area. Give you a panoramic view of this living and dining space. Let's take a look at this lanai, friends. Here we are looking at the lanai, and it does have painted concrete floors. It does have a sunshade as well. Those are very expensive to install, friends. It has a nice bird cage. And the back of the home does face east. You can sit out here and enjoy your morning coffee. And you can be shaded with the sunshade right there. Very nice. Let's take a walk. This home also has a patio as well. And that shade does appear to be electric. So you can move it in and out electronically. Here's a very large patio area. Concrete, painted concrete slab, very nice. This is the back of your home. We are in the village of Piedmont, which is in the northern part of the Villages. It is north of County Road 466. I will take you through the rest of this home. I will show you the guest rooms that are located on the opposite side of the home as the primary bathroom as well. I'll give you a nice view of the kitchen area. This is your guest area. You do see the laminate tile floors continuing. This is a guest bedroom in the back of the home. That is a queen-size bed to give you perspective, friends. Acoustic textured ceilings in this room. Very wide base molding I noticed in this home. That's an upgrade. This is a ranch style home. It is an Amarillo ranch. Tile floors continuing. It is laminate tile throughout this home. Formica countertop, one sink, oak cabinets, stainless hardware. That is a solar tube in this bathroom. Very light and bright. Let's take a walk and show you the one-piece tub module that will minimize the opportunities for leaking. This is a guest bedroom in the front of the home. Tile floors, laminate tile floors continuing. Bifold doors on the closet. And we'll walk into this living and dining space. I'll give you one last panoramic view of this home. Very comfortable home. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom Amarillo ranch home. Located in the village of Piedmont, $304,900. And it does have ceiling fans, updated ceiling fans with lights in most, if not all, of the rooms. Feel free to share this video with those you feel are interested. It is a remote control retractable awning in that lanai in the back of the home. It is near First Responders Recreation Center and Calumet, the village of Calumet's adult pool. Let's take a walk back out into this yard. And I will give you one last panoramic view of this home. That is panning to the right, which is north. That's the front of your home. That is panning south. As always, friends, if you have more questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Crystal Burbage. That's her contact information at Realty Executives here in the Villages, Florida. Thanks for liking and thank you for subscribing. There you have it, one last view. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Amarillo ranch-style home here in the village of Piedmont, offered at $304,900. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.